One of the neat things about Balingup Heights is our chickens, and the proud mums and their chicks. Here you see two mums sharing parenting duties. And after a walk, it's time for a drink. That's Shimmer and Glimmer and their mum Misty. Then, time for bed. Here's the imaginatively named Goldie with her chicks. Jimmy, Pepper, Scotty, Tingle and Lenny. A couple there that she's clearly nicked from someone else. We'll let our chooks free range to enjoy the Hilltop forest at Balingup Heights. But at their height, they don't get to enjoy the views.